Hello everybody, today my hair is cray cray with Ty once again, the cousin Ty. Look at him. The point of this bit here is to clean my BMX, which is in there, and also take off some Mafia stickers which I no longer support nor like. There you go, my Fiacha. It's coming out. You was recording, yeah? Is it recording now, yeah?
Yeah.
Like right now?
Yeah.
We don't really want to keep talking like that. Right, I've got my bike out now. We've got a Mafia sticker here, which is horrible, which we're going to be taking off any moment now. And we've also got this one on the forks here, which I don't want on there either. First things first, we'll get the stickers off. Annoyingly, stickers on bikes are always like pointlessly hard to get off. And Lewi no nails makes it even harder. Does Tyler long nails have any that can pick this off with?
Maybe.
Cool, you can take over picking my stickers off for me, can't you? Get in there, bear.
I thought of the idea to light it and see if it melts off. So.
Epic, let's try it. Lighter. It was empty. I filled it up with airsoft gas. So we've got a nice flame. Wonder if we can make it massive. It's on the massive mode already. Let's try and burn this BH off. I'm going to scope for some like bike cleaning materials for in a second. Ty's going to try and get it off. I'm also going to try and find something to scrape that off with, so we'll be back in a second. Right, I've got some of this quick clean stuff that we're going to spray on the bike. Should look nice. I'm going to wipe this dirt off with water though first. And then we can spray all this stuff on here, make it nice and shiny. Oh, he's got loads. Get that crap off there, yeah. So off. Just one last bit in it. That could probably just burn off. Well good.
I mean, there's just going to be a big clean patch, isn't there?
Yeah, that'll do. Oh, straight off. Oh, oh yeah. Right, we're going to clean this now. I'm going to take the front wheel off and we'll get the rest of that sticker off in a sec. The stem is so dirty, like look at that. Yeah, look at all that dirt. So horrible. We're just wiping some of the visible dirt off some of these areas. Now we've got this quick cleaner stuff. We simply spray all that on there. Bit there, bit of squirty squirt on there. Skirt, squirt, as they say. Don't think anyone says that, but you know. Nice. Done. Oh, it looks nice. Bit of action on that. In light of all this like BMX beef, you guys would know that my brother's mates with Ryan. Been mates with Ryan for ages. But anyway, the point of me saying this is I sort of asked my brother if he could get me a collective bike to ride on. He did ask Ryan and he did say yeah. So I should be getting, I believe, that galaxy coloured collective bike sent next week. But I'm going to be running the frame and probably the bars galaxy colour, which I think will look really sick actually. Bit weird, but really sick. Oh, also another thing to say, probably by the time you're watching this video I'll have 5k subscribers, so thank you everyone that click the subscribe button. That's super sick. The aim is to get 10k by October. It'd be sick to ride for collective one day, wouldn't it, if you like learnt some tricks. That's sort of my goal for this year in like YouTubey life, to get 10k and actually learn some cool tricks on this bike. Yeah, I quite like it. Quick half cab to celebrate.
Yeah, dude.
Should we see if we can go to Tiptree Skatepark and ride jump bikes and BMX?
Super down.
Did you bring your scooter as well?
Hell yeah.
There's going to be so many witless hashtags coming up in a second. Right, we'll meet you at the skate park. Right, we've arrived at this skate park then. We've got Ty here on the scoot. Got Brendan with us today as well. He's on his BMX too. And me on my now instantly dirty again bike, which is kind of annoying. This is the park. There's like jump boxes. There's a bowl down there. Some weird sections, cool stuff to grind. Yeah, we're gonna get some clips. Should we session jump box for a bit though? Yeah. Yeah. So what are you doing on the box? Witless hashtag, yeah. 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 Sick. What other stuff are you doing then?
I was gonna 360 it, but I'm not quite sure yet.
Do you want me to show you how to 3 it?
I think so, yeah.
Bit Casey, but YOLO. You all go?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, dude. Ty, what you doing?
Wow, whip.
Please. Yo, couldn't even see it, it was that quick. Brendan's in with the T-bog. Ooh. I'm gonna, gonna do a can, turn round, lucky feeble Smith on that, and then T-bog this again. Epic. Right, we'll get like one more clip each, I reckon, and then get into some epic drone action. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna try and tuck. I learnt tucks on the jump bike not long ago, and then just sent one at bowl on the BMX because they're like weird on BMX. So let's try and tuck this box. Yeah. That was a bit crap. I'll do it better later. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna do a finger whip on this little pyramid thing. This triangle.
Like bunny hop.
Bunny hop finger whip, yeah.
Oh my Christ, that's insane. Yeah, that's sick. Yes. 6, we've got the break-in warm-up session going along. I'm going to get the drone out now. Let's get into droning. Annoyingly, my phone was like nearly out of battery when I started flying the drone anyway. I've had to cut that short. I didn't really get many clips. I'm gonna put the GoPro on, just get some bangers. We're gonna do some grinds, stuff like that, and then back into the vlog vibe in about 40 seconds. Sick. Have you got any lines in the bowl to do?
Oppo smithing,
Right.
chink it in.
Yeah.
Disaster, smith, double peg, feeble.
Sick. I'll go in the middle because that's so confusing. Nice. I'm gonna do, I think it's a downside foot plant, but I actually haven't done one for ages. I'm gonna do one on this mini one here just to remember how you do it, and then send it on this. I mean, it's not hard, but I'm just scared. Yeah.
Down ledge.
Definitely, let's go over there now, yeah. Can't wait to drink this. This is so nice. It tastes like a meadow, like, it's just insane. Oh yeah. Oh, it's such a nice taste, I can't get over it. Yeah, this is the grind ledge thing. I'm gonna hit it first. I'm gonna go straight in with a feeble, I think. Get down there. Bah. Oh! Oh! It has to be done now.
Yeah.
Are you gonna hit it now?
Yeah.
Beak, dude. Do you feeble down ledges?
I haven't done one, no, but I'll try it.
I bet you do it first go. Yeah, see? Ease. I want a feeble can this ledge.
Alright.
Are you thinking of something? It looks like you got a thinking face on.
See that, Ray? I know I said I wasn't gonna do it.
You want to just send it, yeah. Oh, yo. I'll do the feeble can then.
Yeah.
Starting from right here, I'm going to foot plant on that. No, foot jam.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking it.
Yeah.
The world's most sketchy hand crapper slide I've ever done. Ty's going to try and 7. Sick! I've pledged to bar spin every session, so I have to do a session-ending bar spin just to make sure I can still do them.
Oh, he's in the zone!
Right, we'll check back in with you guys once we're home. I think we've got a couple of things to briefly talk about, and that'll be it, so see you when we're back. Right, so I got home and then we went back out and I completely forgot that I said that I was meant to like outro this video. And I'm in this room using my iPhone light to shine up my face. You can actually see me. Ty's down here, chillaxing. Ty also made a vlog today. I don't know if you saw him vlogging in my video, but if you click the link in the description, you can go to his channel and the video and check that out as well, which would be sick. Anyway, I'm editing the banner video, but you would have already seen that by the time this is uploaded, so I'm sort of speaking backwards in time. Anyway, see you in the next one.
I just wanna have some fun.